For more than 4,500 years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has guarded its secrets. A monument of impossible precision, 2.3 million stones, each one placed with a purpose we still barely understand. But in 2017, something changed. Using Muon particle scans, technology that sees through solid rock, scientists detected a void. A massive hidden chamber sealed above the Grand Gallery. No doors, no markings, no explanation, just empty space. Imagine standing beneath 6 million tons of limestone. Above you, beyond ancient stone corridors, lies a chamber no human has entered since the age of pharaohs. Was it a structural relief space? A symbolic passage for the king's soul? Or something far more extraordinary? Pharaoh Khufu ruled during Egypt's 4th dynasty. To his people, he was not just a king, he was divine. The pyramid was not a tomb. It was a resurrection machine. Its shafts align with Orion's Belt, the constellation of Osiris, god of the afterlife. Its chambers positioned with mathematical precision, reflecting cosmic order. Now ask yourself, why build a massive hidden void above the most sacred internal passage? The newly discovered chamber is at least 30 meters long. That's the size of a Boeing 737 fuselage concealed inside stone. And yet, no burial chamber has ever been found inside the Great Pyramid. No mummy, no treasure, nothing. What if Khufu's true resting place was never meant to be found? Some Egyptologists suggest the chamber could reduce structural pressure, but ancient builders had other methods for that. Others believe it may conceal a second burial chamber, one untouched by robbers. Or perhaps something even older, a relic, a ritual device, knowledge sealed away at the dawn of civilization. We forget the Great Pyramid was already ancient when Rome was founded. When Cleopatra ruled, the pyramid was older to her than she is to us. And still, we do not fully understand how it was built. No iron tools, no wheels for heavy lifting, no written blueprint ever discovered. Yet the alignment is nearly perfect to true north, with an error margin of just 0.05 degrees. That is not accidental. It is intentional, precise, purposeful. So what lies inside that void? A king's forgotten chamber? A hidden archive? Or a final secret the ancient world refused to reveal? For now, the chamber remains sealed, silent, waiting. But one truth is undeniable. The Great Pyramid is not finished telling its story. And somewhere, behind 4,500-year-old stone, Khufu's greatest secret still sleeps.